Spanish kitchen. Today I want to share with you a recipe that I love. Today we are gonna make calamares en su tinta. This recipe, believe me, it's so easy and it's delicious. Usually it's accompanied with the white rice, but I recommend you to do it with fries. Try it and tell me in the comments what do you think. So that's it. Let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe we need about 700 grams of squid, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 garlic, a glass of white wine, and a small sachet of SQUID ink. Let's start by cleaning the squid. If you buy them already cleaned, you will save a lot of time. I first remove the tentacles, then I remove the spine. Turn them over and clean them inside. Then I turn them over and remove the fins. Remove the dark skin and they are ready. Wash them very well with water. I cut them into rings, but if you want, you can leave them whole or chop them into irregular pieces. To clean the tentacles, I separate them from the eyes with a knife, being careful not to break the ink bags. I prefer to use the ink that they sell packets. I removed the mouth. It's this ball that you see. And wash them very well. In a casserole, put to heat olive oil, and while we peel and chop the onion very finely. Peel and chop the garlic very finely as well. Add to the pot and fry for about 5-10 minutes until golden brown. In the meantime, I will grate the tomato. When the onion and garlic are golden brown, add the squid. Sauté over high heat for a few minutes. Add the tomato, a little salt, and black pepper. And a small bag of SQUID ink. Add the wine and mix well so that the ink is distributed throughout the pot. Let it cook over high heat until the alcohol evaporates, about 5 minutes. Add water to cover the squid. Cover with the lid and cook over medium heat for about 45 minutes. At home, we like the sauce a little thick, so I will add a teaspoon of corn flour in a little water, mix well, and add it to the pot. I will let it cook without the lid on for about 5 minutes more and stirring constantly. And that's it, guys! As I told you in the intro, it's very typical to serve this dish with white rice. But if you try it with French fries, you will never eat it in any other way. They are delicious, believe me. And the sauce? Just an advice, don't forget the bread. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like Spanish cuisine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos every Wednesday. And if you don't want to miss any video like this one, don't forget to activate the bell. So we will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!